Look at these markets. Bitcoin seems to have crashed into a brick wall. This morning, we're going to look at the markets and try and explore this crash in a little bit more detail. Good morning, everybody. Okay, let's flick over to Altcoin Trader and see what's going on. Bitcoin at 135,000 Rand per coin. Now that's sharply down from the 160,000 that we've got used to over the past couple of weeks. Let's look at coin market cap. As we can see, Bitcoin down to $8,427 per coin, and it seems to be falling by the hour. We can see negative double-digit percentages going down, Bitcoin bringing the altcoins with it, as everything seems to tumble in the crypto markets. Okay, so it's easy to say it's another day in crypto, but honestly, no one can foresee the future. I can only share my opinion and share some of the experience that I've had. We see these falls and this volatility often, and normally within a week or 2 weeks, Bitcoin is back to where it was previously, and it doesn't seem to have mattered that it fell, other than the fact that it gave us a huge opportunity to Rand cost average and acquire more Bitcoin. Now, it seems to me very convenient that it is the 25th today and Bitcoin is at such a low price, bearing in mind that it is payday today for a lot of people and they have the opportunity to buy Bitcoin. Now, people normally don't like to buy Bitcoin when it's down low like this. For some crazy reason, people only like to buy when Bitcoin is going up. But this, to me, is an amazing opportunity. Now, I just want to jump into a chart here and point out a pattern that I've noticed. Month end, Bitcoin always seems to be low. That chart is just refreshed. But let's start here. 27th of July, you can see this dip here. Bitcoin dropped sharply, was down for a couple of days, and then rose again. Let's have a look at the next drop. No coincidence that it's the 29th of August. Bitcoin's down for a couple of days, shoots up again. And now, down once again, around about payday. This time it does, however, look to have fallen off of a cliff. But if we have a long-term mindset and a long-term vision, this is merely an opportunity to pick up Bitcoin at a really good price. Let's have a look at Backed. So Backed, we have liftoff. Now Backed is a much anticipated platform. We've been waiting for it for over 13 months now. It launched and it has been incredibly underwhelming. If we look at that, we can see that it's had volume of 59. Which is merely a drop in the ocean. Altcoin Trader has more volume than that, and we're at 92, nearly double that volume. So I don't think that the launch, or what a lot of people are calling the failed launch of Backed, has anything to do with this price. I think as far as Backed goes, it's a very early days. It's been out for 3 days. We need to give Backed some time. We need to give institutions some time to figure out the investment strategies and to get involved in Backed before we can expect to see any results. Backed will, however, show us one thing. It will be very clear if institutions are interested in Bitcoin or not, and that will be very transparent with the Backed platform. So I'll certainly keep an eye on this and keep everyone updated on that. If we have a look at TradingView, let's see what the technicals say. They are suggesting that you sell, which is a little bit concerning because it does indicate that they are expecting the price to continue to fall. If we look at the fear and greed index, which is something I always like to look at when things are extreme, we can see that there is a lot of fear. We're down to a 15. We haven't been this low for some time. So a lot of fear, people suggesting that you sell. Obviously, you know, I'm not a trader and I'm simply a hodler. For me, it's payday. It's an opportunity to pick up some fractions of Bitcoins, stack Satoshis, and just have a long-term view because we know that this will probably turn around and we'll look back and go, it was a great buying opportunity. Let me know in the comments below if you think that this is significant. Something that we've also been seeing on YouTube quite a lot, there's been a lot of experts guys that are very involved with technicals, for example, Tone Vase, those type of experts saying that we can expect Bitcoin to drop down to the 7,000 Rand mark before it goes up again, even to the point of saying the sooner it falls, the sooner it drops below the 8,000 US dollar mark, the sooner we are going to see it entering the bull run and seeing those new all-time highs. So often with guys saying these technical things and calling for a drop like this, it does become a self-fulfilling prophecy, and it actually happens. Now that that has happened, was just about happened, is it time that we are going to see the massive bull run and a big turnaround, or are we going to see it drop further? I'd be very interested to hear your views in the comments below. If you guys find value in my videos, please subscribe. I'll update you tomorrow. We'll look at the markets and let's hope that it turns around. That's it from me.